OFM's Model 540 Mesh Ergonomic Office Chair offers industry-leading comfort features and functionality. An aesthetic standout, this chair features numerous comforts and ergonomic controls, such as a pivoting headrest that can be ratcheted up or down, a roomy mesh back and integrated lumbar support promoting breathability and flexibility, synchro tilt that can be locked in multiple positions, seat depth control that lets you create a custom fit for your legs, a height adjustment paddle for multiple users, and 4D arms that can be adjusted on the fly as needs change. The chair is offered in 4 attractive mesh colors and is finished with chrome accents on the arms, back, and 5-star caster base. OFM's Core Collection Model 540 Mesh Ergonomic Office Chair. Furniture for you.